Stire Molina Cabernet Sauvignon. Cabernet Sauvignon is actually the variety that put Chile on the world map when it comes to Cabernet and quality of red wines. This wine comes from an area called Rapel, and Rapel is actually a combination of two valleys. One valley is the Cachapual, which is high up in the Andes, in the foothill of the Andes. And the other valley is Colchagua, which is more central, which is a little bit warmer and moving closer to the ocean. The combination of fruit you get in this type of wine is that the Cachapual gives you the freshness, the more red berry fruit, and then the Colchagua gives you darker fruit, spicier fruit, a little more breadth and warmth to the mid-palate. Cabernet Sauvignon is the perfect match to any type of red meat. Works really well with barbecue, spiciness, not in hot food, but in spicy food. So barbecue, red meat, dishes with lots of power is a perfect company with Cabernet.